out to my nigga Big Los, real talk. Chris motherfucking Travis, nigga. Best rapper, nigga. Fuck these niggas, bro. I'm on it.
Big Los on the track, boy.
Bitch, I'm good, yeah, you niggas ain't in your own city, 40 years old version, ain't nobody fucking with me, control, reach the clouds, bitch, I'm never not high, don't say you gon' get me, bitch, when you the dead guy, I ain't even spitting bars, but I ain't telling lies, Chris Travis stay broke, you a goddamn lie, nigga, I be on my shit, in this house, I survive, I ain't about to rush shit, I ain't even in my prime, tryna talk to me, but the syrup got me strong. Got that apple, bitch, bad bitch, Chris Travis swagger, bitch, that I'm not after, bitch, niggas can't handle this, niggas can't handle me, niggas can't handle me, damn, I'm not after three, in a hotel, that's a tree, Chris Travis fucking hoe, in a damn street. Godfather Chris need a lane when I fucking walk. They don't understand, cause I got a slang when I talk. Bitch, so bad, made her write her name with some talk. Y'all niggas ain't shit, but I'm fucking caught. Right step right on your cuz I know you ain't got shit. Mother nigga ass quick is on the apartment. Hit the club key, looking like some damn Spartans. Try to jump me, I'ma rip your damn heart, bitch. Shut the apple, bitch, bad bitch. Triple hit, Chris Travis swagger, bitch. Damn, I'm not asking, bitch. Niggas can't handle this, niggas can't handle me, niggas can't handle me. Damn, I'm not asking, bitch. Chris Travis swagger, bitch.
Big Los on the track, boy.